Hey, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Are you looking to clean up your Facebook timeline but don't want to delete posts one by one? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Facebook posts in bulk using the Facebook app and desktop version. Let's jump right in. First, let's do it on the Facebook app. Open the app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner or by selecting See Your Profile from the menu. Once on your profile, tap the three-dot menu next to Edit Profile and then choose Activity Log. From there, select Manage Your Posts. Here, you'll see all your posts listed. Use the filters to narrow down your search, like specific dates or types of posts, such as photos, text updates, or shared content. Once filtered, tap the checkboxes next to the posts you want to delete. After selecting the posts, tap Recycle Bin or Delete at the bottom of your screen. Remember, deleted posts will stay in the recycle bin for 30 days before being permanently removed. You can also manually empty the bin if you want them gone immediately. Now, let's